What are you doing?
I'm already taking a video.
Oh, look at you go. You ready to get it off the jack stands?
Yes.
Gotta give her credit that she came out here and threw the tires on herself for me. But she put the lug nuts on backwards. So she's back on the ground. Yes, I got a black eye. I smoked myself with a 2x6. Let's go out for a cruise. You probably can't tell from there, but the ass end here is definitely sitting down lower than it was before. The car's slightly raked, which is what I want, because now I can lower the front. So we just got back from a little cruise. How long you think? Maybe half hour? 40 minutes?
Half hour, 45.
The car drives like a brand new car. Like it feels so much tighter in the rear end. You hammer it, it doesn't squat and lose like momentum. Like it just goes. It's nice. Taking cornering, like it's awesome. Well worth $750. That is for damn sure. So Speedway Motors, TCI Performance, nice job. That's gonna be it for putting her back together. What are we doing next?
Painting.
Paint job.
Sanding.
We'll walk you through that too. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys later.